Okay, so this little thing right here, this is the BlockChance Bitcoin Ticket Miner. And yes, it fits in the palm of your hand. Today, I'm breaking down what it actually does, what's inside it, and whether it's worth the hype. So out of the box, you get the miner itself and a USB-C cable. That's it. That's all you need. No PC required. It's fully standalone, plug it in, connect it to Wi-Fi, and it's mining in minutes. The star of the show is this 2.8-inch touchscreen. Right on the display, you get your live hash rate, your ticket submission status, and your mining pool info. No code, no command line, nothing intimidating. Under the hood, it's running an ESP32DSOR-WD v3 chip with a BM1370 ASIC, pushing out 1,000 kilohash per second. To put that in perspective, that's about 18 times more than a typical ticket miner, which means way more tickets submitted per day. It sips power too, around 18 watts, so less than a light bulb. And it runs completely silent thanks to smart cooling. It's also running the official NMMiner firmware, which is license-free, so no hidden activation fees, and you get free lifetime firmware updates straight from NM Tech. Now let's talk real talk. This is solo mining. You're submitting lottery tickets for a shot at an entire Bitcoin block reward. The estimated odds are roughly 1 in 930 million per block, which works out to about 1 in 6.5 million per day. So, is this a retirement plan? No. Is it a legitimate long shot with real upside if you somehow hit it? Also, yes. Think of it less like an investment and more like the coolest lottery ticket on your desk, one that's actually doing real proof of work the entire time. For under $60, you get a genuinely fun, functional piece of Bitcoin hardware, something to tinker with, show off on a stream, or just keep on your desk as a daily what-if. Build quality solid, setup takes minutes, and the touchscreen dashboard makes it way more engaging than just a blinking light. If you want to grab one, I'll drop the link below. Deal price is $59, down from $149.99. Hit subscribe if you're into crypto hardware content and let me know in the comments. Would you actually run one of these 24/7? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.